Well, we had somewhat of a flash flood over the last few days. I'm just now getting down here to my dredge. Yep, there she is. All right, I got everything, I think, back to functional. The engine was full of water, Jesus. But we drained her all out, drained all the fuel, took the exhaust off, hit everything with some pressured air, or air pressure, excuse me. And then filled it back up and she runs fine. I'm a little beat up, so it'll probably be a few weeks before I get back to it, but we're back in business. Little shoe nails come out the soles of people's shoes back in the day. Some square nails. Some cool little finds. Those are last year's keepers.